Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Download the FITBOD app from your phone's app store and create an account using your email or social media login. You'll need to set up your profile with basic fitness information like your experience level and any injuries to avoid. Step 2. Set your fitness goals by specifying whether you want to build muscle, lose weight, increase strength, or improve endurance. This helps FITBOD personalize your plan to match what you actually want to achieve. Step 3. Choose your available training days and how many days per week you can realistically commit to working out. Be honest here because consistency matters more than intensity. Step 4. Select your equipment access, whether you have a full gym, home setup, or just bodyweight options. This ensures every workout suggested actually works for your situation. Step 5. Review your personalized workout plan that FITBOD creates based on all your preferences, and start your first workout by following the exercise list, rep ranges, and rest periods the app recommends. The app tracks everything automatically,